Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to hyperlink Notion. So let's get started. Step 1. Access Notion. Log in to your Notion account via the Notion web portal or open the Notion desktop application. Once you're in, create a new page or open an existing one where you want to add hyperlinks. Click the plus sign to add a new element to your page. Search for Embed in the options and choose Embed Link from the Embed section. This will allow you to add links to various content types such as images, documents, websites, and etc. Alternatively, you can use the slash command. Type dash in your block section. Search for Embed again and select Embed to add a link using this method. Regardless of the method you choose, you'll be prompted to add the link. Enter the URL of the website, document, or image you want to hyperlink. Confirm or press enter, and the link will be embedded into your Notion page. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.